Cebu played a key role in the EDSA story of 1986. It was in a monastery in Mabolo that the late former President Cory Aquino sought refuge during the uprising's most dangerous moments. Balikan natin ang Queen City of the South na inaalala rin ang EDSA 40. As always, we have their One News Cebu desk, Dale Israel. Dale, what are the activities lined up?
Maayong hapon, Denise. Ang tama, dito nga nagtago si former President Cory Aquino sa Cebu during the People Power Revolution EDSA in 1986. Nandun siya sa Carmelites Monastery, doon siya nilagay ng mga oposisyon ng mga Cebu officials. Kaya nga nagalit yung mga taga Cebu dito sa isang movie where the nuns of the monastery were portrayed as playing mahjong. The truth is, wala rin nangyaring ganoon na scene. This morning, we were at Colon Street kanina and around 100 members of militant groups held a rally ahead of the 40th anniversary of the People Power Revolution. According to Jaime Paglilawan of the Bayan Central Visayas, they're closely monitoring the developments in The Hague, Netherlands, and they're also hoping for the conviction of former President Rodrigo Duterte over alleged crimes against humanity. Meanwhile, they also called for the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte and demanded justice for the victims of the extrajudicial killings. At around 1:30 in the afternoon, the mass has started and the groups will also be joining the SUPAC rally of the Cebuanon Alianza Contra Corruption held here at the back of the Basilica Minor del Santo Niño. Together with various church groups yan. Kanina nakita natin yung mga university students ng religious schools, Catholic schools here in Cebu, pati na rin yung mga students ng University of Cebu at the University of the Philippines. The simultaneous ringing of bells from the 164 parishes is also expected around 3 o'clock. That's in remembrance. And then call for justice and peace. That's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There will also be a concert at 4 o'clock in the afternoon dito, doon sa Plaza Independencia, and free groceries will be given out to 1,000 participants. The first 1,000 participants will receive these groceries. Authorities and the police, especially the police, continue to monitor the situation to ensure order and peace during the activities here in Cebu. Back to you, Denise and Lawrence.
Okay, Dale, ikaw ba may nakausap ka ba dyan ng mga residente dyan na taga Cebu that were actually present during the People Power Revolution in 1986? Meron ka bang nakasalamuhang ganyan?
Wala tayong nakitang mga nandito noong 1986. Pero ang sabi, nag-attend daw sila ng nakausap ko na isang prominent na taga dito sa Cebu, nag-attend daw sila ng rally doon sa Fuente Osmeña in 1986. At this time, nanawagan si former President Cory Aquino na civil disobedience. That's in 1986. Doon sa Fuente Osmeña ng rally, may nilagay silang parang container vans. Yun ang ginawang parang stage. Nandun sila sa Fuente Osmeña Rotonda.
Okay. Yung punta ni Cory noong 1986 sa Cebu is part of her nationwide call for civil disobedience. Ano? At meron nga itong 7-point na panawagan. Kasama dyan yung pag-boycott sa mga crony-owned banks and products of crony-owned corporations. Pero yung claim na si Cory ay wala sa EDSA, medyo hindi yun accurate kasi may isang, nung 23 daw, ay a day after nung nanawagan si Cardinal Sin, bumalik daw si Cory dito on a 4-seater plane. At in fact, doon tumuloy sa bahay ng kanyang sister-in-law sa Wakwak, which is a kilometer away lang from EDSA. In fact, wala kasing pictures, pero may isa daw, may larawan daw na makikita mo si Cory Aquino that was actually standing in front of the POEA. Yun ang sabi. Medyo mahirap ka lang hanapin, pero may claim na such a picture actually exists. So, may kwento pa nga, Dale, na ang mga Cuenco daw ng Cebu, ang isa sa mga unang welcome kay Cory para doon sa mamamahay daw nila sensing danger nung panahon na yon. So,
tama sila.
Oo, tama
sila
ba,
yung nag-receive dito sa Cebu City. Tapos doon nila binago doon sa Carmelites Monastery ang former President Cory Aquino at that time.
Okay. Mag-ingat ka dyan. Maraming salamat sa ating man in Cebu, Dale Israel. Thanks, Dale.